G'day Tentworld viewers, this is Deon from the Ferntree Gully store. And today I want to show you a new range of chairs. Well, it's the same chair in 3 different colours. The breakaway chair from Outdoor Connection for kids. Comes in a great green, purple and blue, colours that I'm sure your kids will love. It's a great little seat for your great little kids. And I want to show you this feature on the back. We've got a locking mechanism here. So if you want to fold this up, you do need to press that down and then it will just close up like that. The reason they do that is just so that kids can't accidentally close it themselves and jam their fingers. Now, of course, these come in a convenient carry bag as well. And if you'd like to check these out, come down to one of our store locations across the country or visit us at tentworld.com.au. Thanks for watching and happy camping with your kids.